So guys, today nandito ako ngayon sa Uptown Mall and naghahanap kayo ng pre-selling condo. Nandito yung showroom namin ng Uptown Modern, which is papakita ko sa inyo. Tara, pasok ka. So upon entering, sasalubungin kayo ng receptionist namin. So magsa-sign up lang tayo dito for like viewing sa model units natin. And then, pagdating naman dito, nandito yung scale model ni Uptown Modern. So, si Uptown Modern is a 54-story and a pre-selling condo ready by 2031. This is the last residential condo here in Uptown BGC. So, nandito rin siya pinapakita yung mga amenities and ganda siya kalaki yung showroom namin. And of course, papakita rin namin yung mga numbers of township ni Megaworld here in Philippines, sa buong Pilipinas. And of course, yung township ni Uptown Bonifacio. So, upon here, bago tayo mapunta sa model unit natin, papakita natin yung mga amenities ni Uptown Modern. So, hotel type amenities na rin siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga bagong amenities si Uptown Modern compared dun sa mga luma. So, one bedroom natin, we have a 57.5 square meters na model units. So, this one, a semi-furnished units. And sa one bedroom natin, kasama na yung maid's room and balcony. Sa maid's room natin, may own toilet and bath siya. And may kasama na rin siyang washer-dryer. Ang kinagandahan or kinagustuhan ko sa one bedroom ni Uptown Modern, naka-island type kitchen na siya. And of course, kasama na yung mga deliverables ng built-in refrigerator, built-in microwave, induction cooktop, range hood, granite countertop, and faucet and sink. Tapos, upon sa living dining area natin, lahat ng movable items natin dito is hindi kasama. Pero yung aircon natin is kasama siya. Tapos, ang toilet and bath natin is connected sa living dining area to bedroom area. Tapos, what you see here is what you get. Sa bedroom area natin, di kasama yung mga beds, but yung cabinet lang tsaka yung aircon. So, naka-floor to ceiling window na siya. And if you want a balcony on your bedroom area, meron naman din kami nun, which is 64.5 square meters. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya ka-spacious sa pagdating sa living dining area. Ayun siya. So, this one bedroom is ideal for rental business, Airbnb business, or personal use. Good for 2 families, 1 to 2 families, because we have an extra room for there. Pwede siyang gawing guest room or extra room or storage room. So, balcony natin, nagre-range siya ng 4 to 5 square meters. Pwede siya lagyan dyan ng chairs, table, so you can relax and you can have a view, good view. Ang ina-offer ko na one bedroom dito sa Uptown Modern, which is West City or West Side. So, West natin is Makati Skyline, unobstructed view. Kaya, prime unit. Studio unit naman. Studio unit namin is a semi-furnished also. So, upon entering, we have a washer and dryer there. Lahat ng studio unit namin is with balcony na, which is 45 square meters. This is just 40 square meters. So, European brand and kitchen appliances, kasama na siya. So, you don't mind, di mo na kailangan magdala ng mga kitchen appliances. Refrigerator, kasama na rin siya. And also sa toilet and bath natin, what you see there is what you get. Sa studio unit natin, ideal din siya sa Airbnb business or rental business. Kasi yung studio natin is para siyang one bedroom. Kung mapapansin niyo siya, may partition siya dito. Either kung gusto niyo open or gusto niyo i-close na para magmukhang one bedroom, pwede naman din siya. So, ganito ka-spacious sa living dining area, ganito rin ka-spacious sa bed area natin. Sa bed area, naka-floor to ceiling window, then plus the balcony. Then of course, may kasamang cabinet with mirror. So guys, this one, pre-selling condo, no down payment, 6 years to pay. So if you want to know the computation or full details, just comment down below or just send me a message. So, thank you.